Vishnu, we have got Mr. Zafaryab Jilani, the counsel for the Sunni Waqf Board. And Mr. Jilani, the Supreme Court defers the order by 7 days. There are only two possibilities, that either it is because there is a sense that there can be a possibility of reconciliation. The second is that there is a security threat because of this whole issue. What do you have to say about the first aspect of a reconciliation?
I don't think there is any chance of reconciliation. We have been trying it, our country has been trying it, our three prime ministers have been trying it for the last 19 years. So something which has not been possible for 19 years, it is not possible in 9 days. And especially so when other side is also saying that there is no question of settlement, let judgment be pronounced.
Mr. Jilani, one interesting fact that in July, the courts had offered reconciliation, had offered all parties a chance that you can come down, sit down together on the table and talk about reconciliation. What was the attitude of all the parties at that time?
No, but everybody said that it is not possible. That is why the High Court has mentioned in its order that there is no chance of settlement. That is why it has been. So,
now, what do you have to say about this petition and the petitioner?
What?
What do you have to say about this petitioner that he said that
I think that much should be said about him. He is so insignificant person in the entire judgment or in the entire litigation that we should not make who is behind him. This has to be proved. But at this moment, I do not want to comment upon that.
What is the status of this party? What is Mr. Tripathi? How long has he appeared in cases? Was he a serious player?
No, he is not at all a serious player. He has never appeared except while giving his own statement. He could not get even one person to produce as witness. So he is not at all important for the purpose of litigation.
I ask you a wider political point. Do you think that there are forces who are interested in getting the order deferred?
Yes, of course. That I feel so. There are forces, and I doubt very much about the bona fides of the central government also. How far central government is interested in pronouncing judgment, it is also to be probed and to be analysed, and we can't blame at the moment anybody. But this shows that there are some forces behind him.
Are you afraid that now there might be a serious attempt, because on the 1st of October, Dr. Justice Sharma is retiring, and what might be the impact of it? I'm very sorry. You shouldn't be doing this. I'm really sorry. I will remember. Jilani Sahab, Jilani Sahab, do you think that in these 7 days there is a possibility of reconciliation now?
No possibility of conciliation. At least I do not find any such possibility of conciliation. And let us hope that judgment is pronounced if the Supreme Court vacates the stay order.
What does the Sunni Waqf Board has to say about this deferment?
No, we can't comment upon Supreme Court order. It is an order, we have to respect it. And then we have to explain to the Supreme Court that what should be the next step. We will file our affidavit before the Supreme Court.
What will the impact if Justice Sharma retires and the order doesn't come? How much of a setback will it be?
This is a speculation being made today. We hope that Supreme Court vacates its order prior to that date and permits the bench to pronounce the order. This will be our request before the Supreme Court.
Thank you very much, Mr. Jilani. Vishnu, there is virtual mayhem outside the courts here. The mood is that somehow there is absolute confusion with the lawyers here, the counsels are perhaps trying to establish which way eventually this order is going.